Hello, this is Mrs. Ross. This is lesson 13, problems about equal groups. And that doesn't mean much of anything right now, but you'll see in just a minute what that means. These are word problems, and frankly, the more that you do them, the less scary that they get. So it's something we can tackle together. This is the practice set for lesson 13, which can be found on page 90 of your Saxon Course 2 textbook. Let's get started. All right, so please do not be freaked out by how many problems there are on this page. Please. We will do them one at a time, and it's going to be okay. All right, so first things first, we're crossing this out because we're not using this method. We're going to see if we can figure out something better. So let's just take a look at A. Don't worry about B, C, and D right now. Let's just take a look at A. Beverly bought 2 dozen juice bars for 32 cents each. So let's stop. Okay, we're not even going to find out what they want us to find out. We're just going to stop there. A dozen is 12. Okay, so 2 dozen is 2 times 12. So she bought 24 juice bars for 32 cents each. So the rest of the problem says, how much did she pay for all of the bars? So we're going to multiply the cost per bar times the number of bars, and we're using our calculator. 24 times 0.32, and we get $7.68. Okay. All right, let me change colors. See, that wasn't so bad. And we'll do B. Workers in the orchard. Now, an orchard is just a grove of trees, okay, which you'll see here in a minute. Planted 375 trees. That's a lot of trees. There were 25 trees in each row. How many rows of trees did the workers plant? Okay, so this is different than the first one, okay? So we know that we have 25. These are trees, y'all. These are trees. Look at these cute little trees. So this goes all the way to 25 trees. And in each row, it keeps going, 25. 25. So each of these rows has 25 trees in it. And they planted a total of 375 trees. So they stopped when they got to the, this first row is 25, the second row is 50 trees, this third row is 75 trees. So they stopped when they got to 375. So the way to figure out how many rows there are is to divide. So we're going to divide, if there's 25 trees per row, and there's 375 total trees, we're going to divide 375 by 25, and we get 15 rows. The way you can check that is you can multiply these two and make sure you get 375 trees. So if it's 15 rows, 25 trees per row, and 375 total trees. Okay. I'm going to pause for a minute and erase all of that so we have space to do C. All right, let's do C. We've got this, and if you're still a little confused about A or B, it's okay. It's okay not to have all the answers right now, because we're going to do lots of these problems, and the more we do, the better you're going to get at them. Okay? Please ask questions. Ask all the questions. Every day, every day, Arnold did the same number of push-ups. If he did 1,225 push-ups in 1 week, how many days are in a week? 7 days. Then how many push-ups did he do each day? This problem is an awful lot like B in that we have the total and then we have part. So we're going to have to divide. So it's a total of 1,225 push-ups for 7 days. We want to know how many he did each day. Good grief, 175 push-ups per day? Crazy man. Okay, I hope he feels better. And then D, it says write a word problem about equal groups that fits this equation. So we don't even have to solve it. We just have to kind of figure out what could this possibly be talking about. So 12 times something equals $3. Okay, let's see. So let's do this. Mrs. Ross buys a pack of 12 pens for $3. How much is each pen? How much, or maybe how much does each pen cost? Okay. All right, guys, that's the last of our practice set. I'll see you in the starred problems. Feel free to ask questions. Have a great day.